Today we are here at local municipality 17 Kanongoma, under uMasipala waKanongoma. We are here for a campaign to create awareness on sexual assault. Lapha eBenedictine Hospital sine section yaka monitoring and evaluation. So on analysis, we've got an increasing number of homosexual assault cases, more specifically kule ndawo yaka Ward 7 Sibongo. Sithe asizothola kahle hle ukuthi iyini inkinga ekhona kulomphakathi, because it's one of ama communities asiconcern kakhulu with increasing numbers of sexual assault cases almost on daily basis eBenedictine Hospital. Then we decided ukuthi as uMnyango wezempilo we need to break this silence and shine the light on sexual assault. Hence itheme yethu yanamhlanje ithi breaking the silence, shining light on sexual assault. So sakuplana ke ekuplaneni kwethu ke siplane in collaboration with other sector departments. However, sibhase kakhulu ekutheni we need to collaborate together with uhlelo ka-MEC waka health aluqalisa lokuletha isibhedlela emphakathini olubizwa ngokuthi isibhedlela kubantu. So sabona ukuthi now that we are here as uMnyango wezempilo asale sesiletha all services together ukuze abantu babenefite ngakho konke abakudingayo pertaining to ama health needs. Siphethe wonke ama services under uhlelo oluthi isibhedlela kubantu, and also sizo navigate directly with ama stakeholders within the community ukuthola ukuthi what are the actual concerns, what are the areas abaconcernayo kakhulu bona ebalidela ukuthi mhlambe kuze kwenzeke igameko enje ezisiconcernayo soMnyango wezempilo, because thina sikubonile lokho soMnyango wezempilo ukuthi uya impacta negatively kuma health outcomes. Just to mention the few nje, kuyalimaza kakhulu uMnyango wezempilo nanomphakathi in general in terms of ama cases ka teenage pregnancy, new HIV infections, new sexually transmitted infections, and also ama mental health cases, because uma umuntu wesifazane noma umntwana eselinyaziwe ngokocansi, wahlukunyezwa ngokocansi, vele definitely umqondo wakhe uyaphazamiseka, egcine esewumuntu ophazamisekayo engqondweni. Sibonile ukuthi in the sense that when we are dealing with abantu abahlukumezekile, asidili nabo sisodwa soMnyango wezempilo. We need SAPS, hence SAPS sinaye la. We also need i-Department yaka Justice, sinaye invitile naye besikade siphena naye together. We need also abakasasa, because in one way siyathola nokuthi i-payment yama-grants kuyinkinga lapha nalaphaya, hence abanye bagcina bethula bengareporti, hence we are breaking silence namhlanje itheme yethu. Bethula ngenxa yokuthi uma abantwana noma besifazane sebehlukunyeziwe kube sekuba nokukhokheleka in a way. So samletha-ke uSASSA ukuthi azosilekelela ngokuthi yini angalekelela ngayo umphakathi, hence nayo khona namanye-ke even education, because lento yaka sexual assault ilimaza izilimaze even i-future yabantwana ey'koleni.